We're out here in the Ocala National Forest today, the Hopkins Prairie area. Absolutely beautiful. We finally got some fog out here that cut into the forest, so real excited this morning. Gonna head out and try to scout some compositions here. Tons of oak trees, lots of sand pines, and still a little lingering fall color here and there. Some red maples and some oaks. So yeah, let's jump into it. I might head back here to these oak trees. They're looking all twisty and nice, so yeah, see if we can isolate some of these subjects in the fog. Let's go. I think I have finally found a decent composition. The fog's kind of still here, so everything's still a little soft, but otherwise it's kind of burned off the thick stuff, but the sun's just now starting to crack behind us here, starting to cut across these trees. We have these straight pine trees all in the back and this one crooked oak tree just sneaking out. Very cool contrast with the straight lines and the crooked tree. I like the juxtaposition? I don't know what I'm saying. But anyway, I'm not sure if I need to focus stack it. Let's check it out. Okay, got that. Yeah, I will grab one. I'm gonna grab a focus stack in the background just in case. It might look nice with a little fall off. I'm at F9, so it's pretty deep depth of field. ISO 100, shutter speed 1/13 of a second. I might drop that a little bit because the highlights are starting to creep in. Sun's coming up. But yeah, this is a pretty cool looking shot actually. It's looking gorgeous out here, so yeah, let's continue. Nice soft atmosphere and good light. Let's go. While the shot was cool, it wasn't my favorite of the morning, but it did get the first shot out of the way, so that was nice. The background was a little too bright in the end, and the fog kind of moved out, so separation wasn't really there. A little too contrasty, and the foreground's just too dark. I do like the light catching on that top left branch, but there just wasn't enough in this image to really make it strong enough. So let's move on and try to find some better lighting. Absolutely beautiful out. So we finally have the sun cracked here, and there's still some fog here definitely, so it's very light on this side, but it's gorgeous, and it's just enough to like give me some great atmosphere. So we're doing a sunstar image, like right on the edge of one of my branches here. Let me go ahead and grab you some video. Actually, it just moved out of frame. But anyway, it was right on the edge of one of my branches. I just put my aperture up real high to like 16 to 22, somewhere in there, and get one shot with the sun controlled with the sunstar, and then I'll take the my other shots. I don't even think I'm going to focus stack this just because it's so soft and nice with the fog. You don't even need to. So this should be pretty cool. It's just like a very enchanted kind of forest scene with the sunstar in there. So yeah, if it's any good, let me know how it looks, guys. So this image turned out much better. We were able to use the fog to soften everything, and the sunstar looks great. And I love the oak tree branches, especially the ones in the center frame there. Everything came out a lot better with this image. I didn't need to exposure blend for this image, just because it was so soft with the fog. I was able to lift the shadows, no problem. All right guys, we finally got some really cool conditions here. The fog's kind of still laying in, the sun has risen, it's backlighting the fog through some really twisty oak branches. Here, let me grab a clip for you real quick. Very cool, just absolutely pretty right now. So we're shooting at F11, 1/80th of a second, ISO 100. We're focus stacking just in case, because there's a close branch hanging in. Not sure if I'm gonna use it, but I'll decide in editing, but just grab it just in case. And absolutely dreamy, gorgeous conditions. I'm gonna grab this shot, we'll edit it, and let me know how it looks. All right guys, so that was a really good morning. Absolutely gorgeous out here in the Ocala National Forest. Hopkins Prairie unit. Beautiful fog, beautiful light, couldn't ask for much more. little hard to find a composition, but that's normal in woodland photography, so to be expected. So I hope you enjoyed the images and I hope you learned a few tips. If you got any questions or anything, just drop them in the comments below and I will answer them. All right guys, till next time, peace.